Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today on my channel I'll be reviewing the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 used to be the star of the show for a 14-inch spec-art gaming laptop. It has a AMD Ryzen 9 HS series processor with 8 cores, and then it has the RTS graphics. In fact, it is one of the 14-inch that has this type of spec. But everything changed after Razer Blade stole the Golden Crown by releasing the Razer Blade 14, which has the Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080. Ever since then, we've been waiting on Asus to release at least an RTX 3070 for the G14 series, but we don't see that forthcoming. So this is all we have, an RTX 3060. The design of the laptop is clean and classy and doesn't look aggressive like a regular gaming laptop. On top of the lid, there's these dotted lines that shine in different colors when there's a reflection of light, and this makes it to look very beautiful. So I don't know if my camera captures it very well. Even though the laptop is built with plastic, it still feels premiumly built like the premium Asus laptop. And the inch is also built very well that you can even lift the laptop lid with just one hand. Inside the laptop looks very beautiful and also clean as well. So, but unfortunately it doesn't have the RGB lighting, so it's just the white keyboard light. Talking about the laptop inch is also designed to lift the laptop a little bit so that air can flow from the bottom of the laptop to cool the laptop properly. This also makes the laptop to be very cool under a heavy load, and this laptop doesn't throttle at all despite the spec. The 144Hz screen is very good for watching content and also for creating and also for playing games, although except if you are someone who doesn't like a smaller screen. But overall, the portability of the laptop is something to love. Also, you can never get bored with using this laptop either in your day-to-day activity or either to play game or any other thing you want to do with the laptop. So the overall experience of the laptop is very good, except for the trackpad, which is very small. I personally don't like a small trackpad. So if you are someone who doesn't like a small trackpad, this laptop is not for you. It has a backlit keyboard with no number keys, and the brightness is very good. It's a 3-level brightness settings keyboard, and then the lights really get bright. Even on a bright light you can still see the keys very well, which is very good. But it would have been better if this laptop has an RGB keyboard. Even if it is a zoned RGB keyboard, it would have been better than the white backlit. But then that is what we have, a white backlit. So the overall look of the laptop is very beautiful. You cannot love the laptop less apart from these few things that I pointed out. It's a very good laptop. I like it. The laptop also comes in different configurations, some with a QHD display and some with a full HD display. For the unit I have, it has a full HD display with 144Hz refresh rate and also RTX 3060. There are some with GTX 1650 and also RTX 3050, and then some also come with 16 gigs of RAM on board and then 16 gig upgradable. So, but for this particular one I have, it only has 8 gig on board and then 8 gig upgradable, which is one of the downside of the laptop. Okay, so in conclusion, in any of the model you pick, whether the one with RTX 3060 or the one with RTX 3050 or the GTX 1650, the 2 RAM slots are not user upgradable. One of the RAMs are soldered and one is upgradable. So for the one that has the 16 gigs of RAM soldered, you can add another 32 gigs of RAM, making it a total of 48 gigs of RAM. And for the one that has the 8 gigs of RAM, so that like the model I have here, you can add additional 32 gigs of RAM to make it a total 48 gigs of RAM. So that is the only thing that is a major drawback in the laptop. Like I don't know if the soldered one can fail at any time. So but if there's an issue that the soldered one failed, then it is gone. So but aside that, it's a very good laptop, and I recommend it for anybody who is in the market for a portable laptop with a full spec that you can play game and also create content. So that's it. And another one is that I expect Asus to do better. If Razer can do it, why can't Asus? So Razer was able to crank up their Razer Blade 14 to RTS 3080. So why can't Asus do the same? So even if they cannot crank it up to RTS 3080, at least they should crank it up to at least 3070 or 3070 Ti. So guys, that's it about the laptop, and thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe for more video.